Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to show you how to price your product or how to set a selling price for your item. So first thing that you have to do, you have to calculate the cost. So how you can calculate the cost? You have to add a material. Okay, so the material cost plus you have to add the labor. Okay, and then plus you have to add the overhead. So guys, material is the things that you need to make your product, the material, and the other thing is labor. For example, obviously there will be a labor involved. You have to pay someone a salary, so you have to add that one. And then the last thing is overhead. So overhead is basically the taxes or some kind of fees. For example, you list your item on a website, you have to pay them a certain amount of fees, so that is considered as overhead. So when you add them together, you will get your cost. So first step, you find the cost. So now we will put the values. We just put the assumption. So for example, our material cost us, let's say $10 or 10 rupees. Okay, plus the labor cost us, let's say $8 or 8 rupees, and then the overhead cost is, let's say, $2. Okay, so this total will be 20. Okay, so $20 or 20 rupees is our cost. So guys, in the next step, what we have to do, we have to mark up our cost twice. So why we are doing it two times? For the first time we will get our wholesale price, and then in the second time we will get our selling price or retail price. Okay, so the first step that we have to do is we will multiply cost with markup. Okay, so this will get our wholesale price. Okay guys, so let's as we already calculated, our cost price is $20. Okay, then we multiply it with the markup. So markup, let's say we have 2, so when we multiply, our answer will be $40 or 40 rupees. So this is our wholesale price. Okay, so this was the first step. So the next step, we will get our retail price. So how we can get the retail price? Same thing we have to do. We have to multiply the wholesale price, okay, with markup. Okay, okay, then we will get our retail price. Okay guys, so as we already calculated here our wholesale price, which is 40, so we will put the 40 over here. Our markup is 2. Okay, so 40 multiplied by 2 is equal to 80. Okay, so guys, this is our retail price. So if you want to know the markup, I already made a video about how to find out the markup. What is markup? So markup is basically a profit margin. It is a profit margin. So most of the time it is between 2 to 2.5, or sometimes it is more, it depends. So this is how you can calculate your retail price. So sometimes some people, they got confused and they think only the material is the cost price. So no, not only the material, but you have to add the labor, plus you also have to add the overhead in order to get your cost price. So then you will get your exact cost price. So once you get the cost price, it will be very easy. You have to multiply it with the markup. For the first time you will get your wholesale price. Okay, and then for the second step, because you have to calculate your retail price, so simply just multiply your wholesale with the markup again, and then you will get your retail price. So here we already get our answer. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.